Here's my 30-inch 1947 k60-TC pedestal fan. Now, I'd like to say it's complete, but it's not. I still have to polish the blades and clean them. The rest, besides the new cord and probably steel the pole better, you can see I did up here, but down there I didn't bother yet. I did paint it. I might touch up the base a little bit because I missed some parts on the edges, but it's basically how I wanted it. Now, the cage paint, these were originally supposed to be kind of a chrome-ish, and I'm not paying the amount of money it would be to chrome this cage, so I just spray painted it this aluminum. The badge is in great shape. You can see there's bird crap on it, but I missed a little bit. I don't really care. It's gonna be outside anyways. The rest of the fan, it's funny. The chrome was in great shape-ish. I mean, up here it's a little rough, but it was sitting outside when I got it, so the fact that it didn't look that bad. I've seen fans that were inside that looked this trashed. I found one. I sold it, but I had one. Original core, not original to the fan, but somebody put it on here a long time ago. It's dry rotted. I need to go through it, but this chrome turned out pretty well for sitting outside. This silver, I wanted it to look a little more beige, so it didn't really turn out how I wanted. But I'm not gonna go look for one specific color just to paint the motor, so I was like, whatever, I'll just have it on here. It's not supposed to be this gray, it's supposed to have a beige in it, more like a cream color a little bit. The base is correct. I'm pretty sure it would have been flat. It wouldn't have made sense if it was glossy. But this thing can extend pretty high. I already have it set decently high, but 2-speed toggle switch on it, and I think this is low. Nope, that's high. This thing is extremely powerful for this room. I think it's rated for 3 amps, and we're drawing 2.6 on 120, which is pretty good. Normally I'd adjust the blade pitch, but I actually like them running a little faster. The blades were so out of balance when I got this fan, it's kind of crazy, but the amount of air movement is pretty insane. I mean, this tiny room is just moving air everywhere. In a large area, you can probably feel this 30 feet away or more. And the bearings are original. They are very bad condition, but I was too cheap to buy new bearings, and I just repacked them. So if I really wanted this to be quiet, I would have repacked or changed the bearings. I think it's actually more powerful than my other 30-inch. I have a 30-inch 50s model. But I think I pitched the blade too much on it because it was really off balance. But I don't really care. I like that one to run a little slower anyways. You can see. Fell down. Very efficient motor too. But you can see it's not shaking at all. The blades are pretty much in balance, so. There's off, and I'll kick it to low. Some of this rust I wasn't able to get off, sadly, so. Low speed is very efficient, I will say. If you wanted something that would barely draw anything, but you still want air movement, I would just run it on low. I mean, 3 amps is still nothing when you consider the air movement, so. Very good breeze. The base, I'm pretty sure the same as the 24-inch models. I found this thing, I got it for $80. I had to talk the guy down, and it had been sitting outside. I guess he got it from a shop or something, and they had it forever, and it was wired wrong. The switch was broken. Well, honestly, it really wasn't even running. I don't know how, but I have had 3 of these, not this 30-inch model, but I've had 3 of these Emerson Pedestal fans where somebody will go through it, and what they do is they remove one tap of the capacitor to get it to run, and it's always wrong. It only runs like half of a winding, because there's 3 sets of windings. 2 of them are connected together and one of them is separate, but what happens is you wire them a certain way, one in series and one in parallel. The parallel, I think, is high and series is low, and everybody keeps on messing it up. I don't know how, but it runs at half speed no matter what, and it draws like the same current as it would on high, which is funny. If you really wanted to, and you had a large space indoors, you could put this inside, but the amount of air movement is kind of crazy. With good bearings, you couldn't even hear them. This thing would be all you'd hear is the wind noise, and it would be pretty quiet. And I will say, the spin down, even with these crappy bearings, ball bearings still will be perfectly fine even if they're worn like this. But those ball bearings could probably spin for like 3 minutes. I won't sit here and bore you with it, but there's the Emerson k60. It's a little off balance, but not much.